Welcome to AI Techtiles. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most talked about fields in technology, data science. Whether you're curious about what data science is or considering a career in this exciting field, you're in the right place. Let's explore what data science is all about. So, what exactly is data science? At its core, data science is the field that combines scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It's a multidisciplinary field that draws from statistics, mathematics, and computer science, and it integrates domain knowledge to make sense of data in specific contexts. Key components of data science. Data science involves several key components: data collection, gathering data from various sources like databases, surveys, or web scraping; data cleaning, preparing data for analysis by handling missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies; data analysis, using statistical and computational methods to analyze and interpret data; data visualization, creating visual representations of data to communicate findings effectively; machine learning, applying algorithms to make predictions or classify data based on patterns. Why is data science so important? In today's data-driven world, organizations and businesses rely on data to make informed decisions. Data science helps them understand trends, identify patterns and trends in data to forecast future outcomes, improve decision-making, use data-driven insights to make better business decisions, enhance efficiency, optimize processes and operations based on data analysis. Applications of data science. Data science has a wide range of applications across various industries: healthcare, analyzing patient data to improve treatments and predict disease outbreaks; finance, detecting fraudulent transactions and managing risk; retail, personalizing customer experiences and optimizing inventory; marketing, analyzing consumer behavior to target ads more effectively. To sum up, data science is a powerful and versatile field that plays a crucial role in today's technology-driven world. It combines data collection, analysis, and visualization to help organizations make informed decisions and drive innovation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from AI Techtiles. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about data science or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.